course, y'all know I had to come and do an intro. I wanted to show you all how I clean the lace on my wigs and also how to reinstall it after cleaning it. I do have 4 bundles and a lace frontal from Beauty Forever Hair. All the bundles were 30 inches and the lace frontal was a 20 inch. I just posted a video on this hair. These waves in the hair is from the last time I did that video. Okay, so these waves have been in the hair for about a week. I have not retouched it. The only thing that I retouched was my little pony up here. But other than that, these are the waves, okay? But yes, you all, I hope you all enjoy this video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button so I know. If you are not a subscriber, definitely hit the subscribe button and join the family on today. While you are at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell as well to stay updated on when I upload in the future. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know how you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below as well. Any comments or concerns, leave them on down below so I can get you all as soon as I can. But I am letting you guys go. I love y'all so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. Hey y'all, so the way that I'm cleaning my frontal in this video is a quick and easy way to do it after you've uninstalled your wig from a previous wear. So yeah, I'm not fully cleaning it, but I'm cleaning the edges where the got to be spray residue is at, just to get that clean, so when I put it back on, it won't be crusty and hard and flaky. But if you wanted a full clean to get the residue off as well as the makeup off, if you use makeup to tint your lace, then I would wash my unit and I would shampoo my frontal using a shampoo that removes product buildup, and it would get the makeup and that residue right off.